Who's that? Is that Diddy? Hello. Hi guys, good morning. Excuse the state of me. It has literally just turned 8 o'clock. And we're actually having a lazy morning. Didier's not even dressed. I'm in like my comfy stuff. Hello. Oh, you're all snotty. Let's go get you a tissue. We are just waiting on the health visitor to come. She's coming at 11:30. Yeah, and so I'm just sat here, we're just chilling out. Didier's just been playing with some toys all morning. Yeah, have you been playing with toys? I've been getting his dinner ready for the day. He's due breakfast at around 10. And yeah, I just thought I'd film a little day in the life. I've not done one yet, so I thought that might be interesting to do. I just need to remember to pick up the camera. Don't put that in your mouth. So yeah, hopefully I can film this. I'm actually thinking of popping out to Worcester in a bit. So after the health visitor's been, I think I might, yeah, just catch the train over to Worcester, because it's only like a 10-15 minute train over there. Yeah, I've just been watching a bit of Kate Marinane's vlogs. I love her vlogs, and so does he apparently. Can you not eat the remote? But yeah, so hopefully this day in the life will go to plan. We'll see how it goes, and I'll take you with me shopping. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. This is what our mornings look like at the moment. I'm surprised actually that he's kept the toys in that basket. Yeah, ignore our scraggly carpet, by the way. I'm just cooking some carrot and swede, and then I'm going to make it into a mash with a little bit of cheese, because Didier really likes that. So he's going to have that for lunch today. Where do you think you're going? Yeah. Where do you think you're going? Huh? You should get some clothes. Oh. You've still got such a snotty nose. Right. Oh, were you helping to sort out? Oh, yes. No, not in your mouth. Right, let's have a look. Got some trousers. Yes, thank you for your cooperation. I think we're just gonna wear a little t-shirt. This is old, very old. Oh, Tesco. These are hand-me-downs from a friend. These are. And ooh, I'm sure that's Tesco. Oh wait, no, is that Tesco? Yeah, that's Tesco. What's 2? I thought that was Tesco. I don't know what that is. I think it's. Oh, is it Sainsbury's? I think that's Sainsbury's. There we go. So he's just got a little pair of leggings. So his jeans are in the wash. And yeah. Gosh. We'll pop those on in a minute. Now it's time to put all of this back in. And I will sort that out later, because I cannot be bothered to do that right now. Tap.
Yeah.
Good boy. Tap. Tap. Should we just turn to his head? This is the other best part of the morning now. Picking up all the toys. I love this book. It's all in French. Also, I just want to point out, this toy, my mum picked this up. I don't actually know where it's from, but I've just found out the suckery toys. These are a godsend when you're out and about and you're feeding your child, he's in a high chair. Just stick it to the table. It's just genius. He will actually sit and eat at the table like for quite a while when we bring that. hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Tap, tap, tap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Tap, tap, tap your hands. Hi guys, thought I'd just check in. The health visitor has just left. It is now 12:40. So she's here for nearly an hour. She was supposed to come at 11:30, but she was 30 minutes late. And I've just remembered she was like 20 minutes late last time as well. She's such a lovely lady, but I'm one of those people who, like, I'm always on time. So I hate it when I'm always having to wait for other people. I don't know, it just really annoys me. But yeah, he's just had his like little inspection thingy for his development. She's really happy with him. She said that he's really healthy, everything's good, so I'm happy with that. It's really cute. They give you these little book thingies. This is his second one. I think he got one when he was first born. And it's like the Arts Council England. I don't know if they do it in Wales and Scotland or if it's like everywhere. But it's just like a little pouch, and so you get like a little booklet on like how to read with your children, because some people might need it. And then they also give you like free books. So he's got this little one and this little one. And yeah, so I've just put him down to bed, by the way, and we've just read these to him, and yeah, he seems to like those. I was like that, getting some free books. I'm not gonna say no to free books, but yeah, he's all good and healthy. She's just left me with all the paperwork. So in the UK, we get these little red booklets, and it's my personal child health record book. So all his jabs, stuff like that, everything just goes in here. And I've just had to fill out this little questionnaire thing on everything that he can do. She was really happy with it, to say that yeah, he could do everything. So yeah, and then she said his next jabs will be at 1 year old, at 12 months, and then she doesn't come back and see him then until he's 2.5. Which I already know. It's really weird being on the other end of this, because I work in nurseries. This paper, this kind of gets sent off to me, and then I have to review it and go and basically put it in like the children's file work at the nursery and see if their development at home is like on par with in their social environment, if you know what I mean. And yeah, so it's really strange being on the other end of it. But yeah, enough of that. He's just gone back down for a nap now. Yeah, I was really worried because he was getting really tired before she rocked up. I didn't want him falling asleep before she came, obviously, because she needs to weigh him and everything. And yeah, now it's so late. Well, it's not so late, but by the time Didier wakes up now, it's going to be gone 1 o'clock. And because we are out in the countryside, don't run as frequently. They're like on the hour and every hour and a half. So I don't know. I really want to, but it is a bit drizzly, and it's a little bit of it's not a trek. It's not very far to walk to the train station, but in the rain it feels like it. And I don't know. I'll see when he wakes up. But I'm just trying to think, what am I going to do if when he wakes up and I don't go? There's like nothing to do. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm trying not to spend any money either, so it's literally just to have a coffee and have a wander around the shop. So. It's brightened up a bit now. What are you doing? Oh, that's our baby. Oh. What are you trying to do? Now that I'm back from Aldi's, I just need to put this shopping away. I just need to wash up and put all of that washing away. And whilst I do this, this is when he has a little bit of TV time. I don't really let him have too much TV time. I like to put him in his walker and let him watch a bit of TV just when I've got my back turned, because obviously I don't want him really crawling about when I can't see what he's doing. But I love this TV show. It's called Monde des Tatouis, which just basically means world of the Tattoonies. Tattoonies is a name. So it's a French YouTube channel, and it just sings like French nursery rhymes. I've actually learned quite a few like French nursery rhymes from it, and I've always put it on. Can you hear that rain? It's pouring down. Hi guys, so I've just put Didier down. It's 6:20 at night now, and I'm gonna sign off here. I've got to clean my spare bedroom and make the bed because I've got a family staying tomorrow. I hope you like this video. This is my first ever try at doing a day in the life. Today was quite calm actually, as I didn't end up going to Worcester, so I don't know, I felt like I managed it quite well. So I might try and do one again. I'm not sure if I should be chatting in them or if you just want to see me just do everything and then do a voiceover. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. I think this one's just going to be a bit of a mix, but yeah, I hope you liked it. And yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up just to help support my channel. If you like this kind of content and you'd like to follow along on our journey, please subscribe. I would love that. I'd love to see you stick around. And yes, please comment. I love seeing your comments on my videos, and I will see you in the next one.